Windows PC has a feature called auto clean feature that a lot of Windows users don't know about it. And this feature is very cool. It's amazing because it helps you clean your computer at a particular time when you set it up. This is a very great one if you are the types that don't keep a record of what you do, or if you are the type that don't have the time to run clean up on your computer time to time. With these settings, guys, you are good to go. And in 2 to 3 minutes, these settings is put in place. Without wasting much of our time, let's dive in straight to this process. First, click on this start menu button. Click on settings icon. Guys, if you are new to this channel, if not subscribed, please subscribe. Don't forget to share this video with family friends because it might be of great help to them. Now come to the system button here, click on it. Once you click on system, scroll down to storage, click on it, and this feature is called storage sense feature. Now that I've clicked on it, you have access to this. Now take a look at what you have here. Installed app on my device is around 52 gig. Temporary file is around 32 gig, and other is around this amount. Now click on this button that's called storage sense. Once you click on this button, and here is the magic that you need to know about your computer that will help you clean your computer time to time. But before you do anything here, if this button is not enabled, then all these settings up are useless. So first click on this button to turn on what is called auto user content clean up. Click this button to turn it on. Now once you click on this button, other features here is activated. Don't forget to click on this one that says keep Windows running smoothly by automatically clean up temporary file and apps. Now that I've checked these two buttons, now come over to this place, guys. Yours is going to be on this button that says during low disk space, and this is the most dangerous thing about your device. If your device is having enough space, it will not do anything, but the damage will have been done before you start realizing the mistake you have been made. So to set it up, come over, run storage sense, click on this button. You have this option. The first one is every day. I'm very sure I'm very sure your computer will not generate enough cleanup on daily basis. But if you are the type that operates your computer time to time, weekly cleanup is the most important thing, or is the most best thing you can do for yourself. Click on this weekly thing. And if you are the type that just browse once in a while, play some game on your device, you can clean your computer on monthly basis. But guys, I use my computer virtually every day to download, to install, and do sorts of things. So I will select every week. Once you select every week, then come to this where that says delete files in the recycle bin if they have been there for over certain days. Now click on it, and as well you have a lot of options here. By default is 30 days. Another one is never. If you click on never, everything you are deleting on your device will keep accumulating on the recycle bin, and this will accumulate space on your device. It may even cause your device to run slowly. So do not select never. Then one day is not enough. Sometimes you might make a mistake of deleting a particular file or folder, and you recollect that, oh, I've deleted this folder. You can quickly get to your recycle bin and restore. Now 14 days is a bit okay, but if you are the type that use your computer for work and you keep piling much of information there, I will not encourage you to use 14 days. Rather, go for 30 days, which is default. But the best for that is 60 days if you are the type that use your computer for typesetting and has customers' property with you sometimes, and you trash those property or information in the recycle bin. I will encourage you to use 60 days. So by me, I go by default, which is 30 days. Now scroll up again that says delete file in my download folder if they haven't been opened for so day. Now click on this button as well if you are the type that download important documents, important folder, important information. I will always encourage to manually do this. So select never. It's always good to select never. Now come to this place that says personal content will be online only if not open for certain days. Now click on this place. Sometimes you might have important documents, maybe your bank details, your personal information, and if you don't open it for certain day, it will be online, and this is somehow risky. So here, click never, then go ahead and click on this one that says run storage sense now. If you do that, then every set you put here is going to take effect. So that's all guys on how to activate auto cleanup on your computer, and this is going to run on the background based on your schedule without you performing anything. If you enjoy what I've explained in this video and you're yet to subscribe to this channel, please do subscribe. Don't forget to like, share and follow us for more important tips like this.